Welcome to the game of wealth. It's a mindset where strategy, hard work, and smart decisions lead you to success. Get ready, because only those who think big will win. Changing your financial situation doesn't have to take years. With the right strategy, discipline, and mindset, you can transform your finances in just 6 months. Whether you're looking to save more, get out of debt, or start investing, this step-by-step guide will help you achieve financial stability and build a better future. Let's get started. Part 1. Assess your current financial situation. Before making any changes, take a deep look at your income, expenses, debts, and savings to get a clear picture of your financial health. Start by listing all sources of income, including your salary, side hustles, and any passive earnings. Next, track your monthly expenses, both fixed, such as rent, utilities, and loan payments, and variable, like dining out, entertainment, and shopping. Use budgeting apps or a simple spreadsheet to categorize your spending and identify areas where you might be overspending. Additionally, evaluate your debts. Part 2. Set clear financial goals. Setting clear financial goals is the foundational step towards building a successful investment journey, as it provides you with a concrete roadmap and the motivation needed to stay disciplined over time. Whether you're aiming to save 50,000 for a vacation, pay off a high-interest loan, build an emergency fund covering 6 months of expenses, or accumulate a substantial retirement corpus, having well-defined financial goals allows you to prioritize your efforts and allocate your resources effectively. It's essential to differentiate between short-term, medium-term, and long-term goals, as each requires a different approach and investment strategy. Short-term goals, such as saving for a gadget or a minor home renovation within a year, may be best addressed through safe, low-risk avenues like high-interest savings accounts or fixed deposits. Medium-term goals, such as funding higher education or purchasing a vehicle within the next 3–5 years. Part 3. Create a realistic budget. Creating a realistic budget is a critical step in achieving financial stability and building wealth, as it acts as a structured roadmap that guides your income allocation and spending habits. By establishing a clear budget, you can effectively prioritize your financial goals, minimize wasteful spending, and enhance your savings potential over time. One of the most popular and practical budgeting frameworks is the 50-30-20 rule, which recommends dividing your after-tax income into 3 categories: 50% for necessities, 30% for wants, and 20% for savings or debt repayment. Necessities include essential expenses such as rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, insurance premiums. Part 4. Increase your income. One of the fastest ways to improve your financial situation is by increasing your income. Relying solely on a single source of income, such as a monthly salary, can be limiting, especially in today's fast-changing economy. To boost your earnings, explore various opportunities such as starting a side hustle. This could be anything from selling handmade products online, offering tutoring services, or leveraging skills like graphic design, video editing, or copywriting through freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Additionally, consider taking on part-time work or a weekend job that aligns with your interests and doesn't interfere with your full-time responsibility. Part 5. Reduce and eliminate debt. Debt can be a significant obstacle to financial freedom, especially when it comes with high interest rates that eat away at your income. To take control of your finances, start by listing all your outstanding debts, including credit card balances, personal loans, car loans, student loans, and any other obligations. Identify which ones have the highest interest rates and the largest impact on your monthly budget. A strategic approach to debt repayment can make a huge difference. 2 of the most effective methods are the debt snowball method and the debt avalanche method. The debt snowball method focuses on paying off the smallest debts first, while making minimum payments on larger ones. Part 6. Build an emergency fund. Life is unpredictable, and unexpected expenses, such as medical emergencies, car repairs, job loss, or sudden home repairs, can quickly derail your finances if you're not prepared. That's why building an emergency fund is crucial for financial security. An emergency fund acts as a financial cushion that prevents you from relying on credit cards or taking out loans when faced with unexpected costs. Financial experts recommend saving at least 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses in a separate, easily accessible savings account. Start by setting a realistic savings goal based on your monthly expenses, including rent or mortgage payments, groceries, utilities, transportation, and other essentials. Part 7. Start investing. While saving money is essential, investing is what truly allows your wealth wealth to grow over time. If you only rely on savings, your money will lose value due to inflation. However, investing enables your money to work for you by generating returns and compounding over the years. The key to successful investing is to start early, even if you can only invest small amounts at first. Begin by assessing your risk tolerance, whether you are comfortable with high-risk, high-reward options like stocks or prefer lower-risk investments like fixed deposits and bonds. For beginners, mutual funds and index funds are great starting points as they offer diversification and are managed by financial experts. If you have a higher risk appetite, you can explore stocks and ETFs, which provide significant growth potential over the long run. Additionally, fixed deposits and government bonds are safer investment options for those who prefer stability. Before investing, educate yourself about different asset classes, market trends, and strategies to minimize risks. Part 8. Cut unnecessary expenses. One of the most effective ways to improve your financial health is by identifying and eliminating unnecessary expenses that drain your income without adding real value to your life. Many people don't realize how much money they waste on impulse purchases, unused subscriptions, frequent dining out, expensive coffee habits, or excessive online shopping. Start by carefully reviewing your monthly bank statements and credit card bills to track where your money is going. Identify areas where you can cut back or completely eliminate spending, for example, cancel subscriptions or memberships you no longer use. Cook meals at home instead of eating out frequently, and avoid impulse buys by creating a 24-hour waiting rule before making non-essential purchases. Part 9. Improve your financial knowledge. One of the most valuable investments you can make is in your financial education. Many people struggle with money simply because they were never taught how to manage it effectively. By improving your financial literacy, you empower yourself to make smarter decisions about saving, investing, budgeting, and debt management. Start by reading personal finance books written by experts, such as Rich Dad Poor Dad by Robert Kiyosaki or The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel, which provide practical insights on wealth building. Additionally, listening to finance podcasts and watching educational YouTube channels can help you stay updated on the latest market trends, investment strategies, and money-saving tips. If you prefer structured learning, enroll in online courses that cover topics like stock market investing, real estate, retirement planning, and tax strategies. Part 10. Stay consistent and track progress. Achieving financial success isn't about making one-time changes. It's about staying consistent and tracking your progress over time. Many people start strong but lose momentum because they don't regularly monitor their financial habits or adjust their strategies when needed. To stay on track, set aside time weekly or monthly to review your income, expenses, savings, investments, and debt payments.